Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. Today I'm talking to you about a phrase for the week, and it's from our book Anei, and the phrase is actually this title, anei. So anei is something that means here it is. It's something, anei is here. If I'm giving something to somebody, I could say anei, here it is. But anei is what you say if it's a bit more like something that you've lost and you've finally found, or you've just been looking for it and then, oh, here it is. Here it is at last. So anei is the title of the book and the phrase that I'm suggesting today. So it's the sort of thing that I say, let's say I can't find my drink bottle or my keys, and then I finally found them. Ah, anei care. And you could also say what we do in this book, which is anei kei te pai. So, oh, here it is, kei te pai. It's all good now. It's fine now. It's okay. Anei kei te pai. So anei also works for, it isn't just here this is, here it is, it's here they are as well. So we say that in this song about when the child's looking for his gumboots, anei, and that here as in not just this one thing, but that works for two things or many things, and it also works for people. So if I'm wondering where my husband is, what's happened to him? Oh, here he is. Anei, and that works for people as well. So it's a really good phrase, and you could also just add the kei te pai at the end. And when we do that with children in our shows, we get them to go kei te pai. So hopefully that would be something that you could easily use, and I really encourage you to use simple phrases like this gradually over time, adding them to your kete, because children will also take that, you'll be role modelling to them, and they'll take that idea and they'll use those phrases as well, because I hear from teachers that that actually happens. So all the best with that. Ka kite.